Are you planning for MRCOG but confused about eligibility, experience requirements, or whether you need to travel to UK? Don't worry. Today I'll clear all the common doubts about MRCOG eligibility step by step. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what's required for Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3 and how you can plan your journey. Let me just give you a quick overview first about MRCOG. So it stands for Membership of Royal College of Obs and Gynae. It has 3 parts, Part 1, Part 2 and Part 3. Part 1 and Part 2 are written exams. Part 3 is clinical OSCE based exam. Now MRCOG is recognized internationally including Gulf countries, India and many others. Now let's answer some common queries about MRCOG eligibility. Can I give Part 1 just after MBBS? Yes, absolutely. If you hold a recognized primary medical qualification, MBBS or equivalent, that allows you to practice in your country, you can appear. No postgraduate qualification is required for Part 1. Even fresh graduates can apply. But it's better if you revise the basic sciences which you studied during your MBBS well before attempting. Do I need any experience in Obs and Gynae to give Part 2 exam? No, earlier RCOG required 4 years of training in Obs and Gynae, but now that restriction has been removed. You can attempt Part 2 once you have cleared Part 1. However, practically speaking, most candidates attempt Part 2 after some residency or work experience in obstetrics and gynecology because Part 2 tests your clinical application and guidelines, not just theory. Now, when can I sit for Part 3 exam? You can give Part 3 exam once you have cleared Part 2. You have 4 years of clinical experience in obstetrics and gynecology that is verified by RCOG. Do I need to go to UK to give exam? No. MRCOG is open internationally. You can prepare and appear from your country. Part 1 and Part 2 are written exams conducted at many international Pearson Center. Part 3 also exam centers are available worldwide. It is not just limited to UK. MRCOG is highly valued in Middle East, Gulf countries and India. Now some more queries.
Do I need MD, MS or DNB to attempt?
No, MBBS is enough to give Part 1 exam.
Is internship counted as experience?
No, internship is not counted. Clinical experience in obstetrics and gynecology is counted only after internship.
What if I have a career gap?
That's absolutely fine. Career gaps don't stop you from giving the exam. For Part 1 and Part 2, there is no issue at all. For Part 3, as long as you resume practice and complete your workplace-based assessment, you remain eligible.
Can I work in the UK after MRCOG?
Yes, you can work, but you will need GMC registration for that. MRCOG helps you in exemption from PLAB and is highly respected for specialist post. Now you know the clear eligibility pathway for MRCOG. No more confusion. Start with Part 1 after MBBS, progress to Part 2. Whenever you're ready, then move on to Part 3. Comment below if you still have questions. I'll be happy to answer. All the best.